Hello, classmates. My name is Tina. I am an elementary school English teacher with 20 years of human resource management experience. I was born in New York and recently moved to Jacksonville for an opportunity to work for the Department of Defense on the Mayport base here as an education professional. I have a bachelor's degree in public safety administration with a secondary near completion in business supervision and management. In addition, I have two associate's degrees, early childhood education and criminal justice technology. With successful completion of my master's in educational leadership courses, I hope to achieve a long-term goal of becoming an education administrator, working in areas of emergency management. The goal is to build resilience of educational infrastructures that are vital to ensuring the community's ability to thrive. My long term goal is to work for an agency like FEMA. I would like to support in areas of natural and man made disasters, supporting the educational institutions that may suffer for lack of resources. I look forward to listening and learning from each of you as we strive to successfully complete the course objectives throughout the semester. Happy 4th, everyone. Bye.